Ever try applying your 20s money habits in your 40s? That's like still living off instant ramen in middle age. Cheap, sure, but your blood pressure won't thank you. Julie Guntrip, head of financial wellness at Genius Bank, breaks down some of the smartest money moves for your 20s, 30s, and 40s so you can help hit your money milestones that could build real wealth. Tip 1. Your 20s, learn the basics. In your 20s, it's all about confidence and literacy. Guntrip says many young people see an endless supply of financial information, and all of it feels like it's written in a foreign language. Start with the essentials. Track expenses, budget realistically, build credit, and let compound interest do its thing with the right savings vehicle like a Roth IRA. Remember, your greatest asset right now is time. Tip 2. Your 30s, build strategy. By your 30s, strategy kicks in. Guntrip says, it's time to stop the comparison game and start finding your own path. That means setting clear money values, tackling debt smartly, and learning the ins and outs of home ownership. It's less YOLO and more level up mode. Tip 3. Your 40s. Prioritize security. In your 40s and beyond, the focus shifts to family, security, and wealth preservation. Guntrip advises, calculate your target retirement savings using online tools and adjust based on your projected retirement age and lifestyle. Retirement planning, protecting assets, and investing beyond retirement funds are your power moves now. So, ramen in your 20s? Fine. Ramen in your 40s? Not so much. Follow Guntrip's roadmap, and your money habits can actually age better than your metabolism. Got a money question? Head to GoBankingRates.com and ask away for a chance to win $500, plus your question could be answered by a top financial expert.